Maisie is making one of her favorite things ever. And what is that, Maise? What are we making? Whipped what?
Whipped cream.
Whipped cream. And what are we gonna have it on top of?
Waffles.
Well, really anything. Maisie's up for whipped cream on anything, right? Yeah. Have our KitchenAid little mixer, and then we have the whip attachment today. We fetched out the whip attachment. So you wanna make sure that your KitchenAid is very clean, right? You make sure it's clean.
I can put it in this bowl.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it in that bowl. So Maisie's gonna pour it in. Okay, so Maisie's gonna pour in the cream. Pour it all in.
All of it?
Yes. What are we getting here from this whipped cream? Healthy what?
Healthy fat.
Healthy fats, right? We're not afraid of saturated fat in this house. Nope. And then we're just gonna add the smallest amount. You really don't need much at all of just some organic powdered sugar. Maise, where the patience comes in, because we're gonna put it on here. We have our paddle attachment all ready.
No, can we in my chair?
Yeah. And now we're gonna push this down and we're gonna turn it on.
What's it gonna turn into?
Yeah, and now it's gonna take a little while, and in a little bit, this is gonna turn to a beautiful whipped cream. And we're gonna add at the end, maybe even a little pinch of vanilla in here if you want, and a little bit of powdered sugar, and we are good to go. Pour the vanilla in. All right, now it's gonna be ready in about 10 more seconds. Okay, I think that looks good. You wanna make sure we see just some peaks. You don't wanna overdo it. And this will last in the fridge for at least a few days. And you can, you know, I'm very big on little things like this as an entry point for kids to try new things. Like, how fun is whipped cream? So maybe if they're not eating a variety, you might want to try incorporating things like whipped cream, good salt, good condiments. As long as they're clean, whole, real foods, I see no problem doing that.